Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for today, I want to talk to you about spinning wheels. First, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, you're just coming across this, go ahead and click that, I think it's over here, subscribe button down there, and then click it a second time to get the drop down so you can select all so you get notified whenever I post a video or a community post. Doesn't mean you have to watch it or read it, it just lets you know, hey, here's a new video out. All right. Spinning wheels. Why would you want to get spinning wheels? Well, spinning wheels are actually making a comeback. Those, knitting and stuff is making a big comeback too. And people are actually spinning the yarn they're going to use for knitting on spinning wheels. They are also spinning regular fabric, threads and stuff for loom work and stuff like that as well. So spinning wheels have changed quite a bit from the Disney movie one where Sleeping Beauty, where she pricks her finger on the spindle of a spinning wheel. Anyways, so let's take a look at some of them. There are craftsmen today that are making advances and tweaks to the designs and making some really fine quality ones. And there's a whole variety of different ones out there. And some of them just have a single, yarn thread, whatever you want to call it. And some of them have multiple ones on there. And so you can pull from one, you can pull from two, you can pull from three. You can create different ones. There's a whole bunch of different things. And just when I was looking this stuff up, it made me just go, wow. So think about it. If you're really wanting to go off grid and disconnect from the corporate whatever, spinning wheel might be something you might want to look into. Stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing, and skills. Learn a new skill, and possibly how to use a spinning wheel. Keep adding to your garden. And if you don't have a garden, plan on planting one. And if you do have a garden outside and it's too cold, grow something indoors. Start your seeds early, get them in bigger pots and stuff. So when you plant them outside, they have that much more of a jump on everyone else. All right. And as I don't know if you've seen what's going on here in Idaho, in California, winter ain't over. California's getting 12 feet of snow this weekend. And we got like 9 inches of snow yesterday afternoon. So, yeah, you really need to prep up for this winter. It ain't over.